Hi, we're Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on the Samsung range model NE59R4321SS. We're going to be replacing the convection motor assembly and fan. Start by opening the range door and removing the oven racks. Remove the fan cover and set the screws aside. Using a wrench, remove the fan. Now we're going to remove the convection fan motor assembly. To do this, we will need to access the back of the range by removing the large cover panel. There are several screws. Make sure to set these aside so we can put the cover panel back on later. Remove the 3 screws mounting the motor assembly to the range and set aside. Carefully remove the motor assembly and unplug the connectors. Note where these connectors were, as the new motor assembly will plug in the exact same way. Slide the new convection motor assembly into place on the back of the range and secure with the screws that were removed earlier. Plug in the connectors. Back inside the oven, slide the new fan blade onto the motor assembly shaft and secure. Be sure to give the fan a spin when you're done. Replace the fan cover in the same way that it was removed. Replace the cover panel and secure it back onto the range if finished with all of your repairs at this time. Put the cover panel back on. There should be tabs that slide into the range and hold the panel in place so it can be secured with screws. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.